To record a macro, I'll simply press the Record Macro button. I'll give the macro a name, assign it a shortcut. I'll say Ctrl-Shift-P. It's important here to make sure that you don't override any important shortcuts such as Ctrl-C when choosing a macro shortcut. I'll store the macro in this workbook, and I'll also add a quick description, which will be converts selected cell to the input format. I'll then press OK to start recording the macro. To convert the selected cell to the input format, I'll need to give it a blue background color and also bolded blue text. So let's go to the Home tab with Alt-H and then H to give it a blue background. And then I'll press Alt-H-FC to select the required blue text. And then I'll press Ctrl-B to bold this text. And now our macro is complete. So if I return to the Developer tab and press OR, I can stop the recording. Let's now try out our new macro. If I go to another input cell and I press Ctrl-Shift-P, I can see that this is now formatted correctly as an input and saves me a bit of time when formatting these cells.